In this session, we are going to discuss about how to read Excel file in Python. There are different packages available in Python to read Excel file. Some of these packages you will be able to get from this particular reference URL. Apart from that, for this particular session, I have downloaded the data from this Microsoft URL. In this session, we are going to discuss about these three packages: Pandas, OpenPyXL, and PyLiteXL to read Excel file in Python. Pandas itself uses OpenPyXL to read the Excel file, but the output of both these packages when they read the Excel file is different. Let's first start with OpenPyXL package. For this purpose, we need to import load workbook function from OpenPyXL, and then using that load workbook function, we will provide the file name, something like as I have shown on the screen. Over here, you can provide relative path as well as you can provide absolute path as well. And if you are in the same directory from where you are running the script, in that case, you can just provide file name only as well. So over here, I have provided the relative path. Then we need to get the active worksheet, which will be the first worksheet by default. And then we need to iterate over all the rows to fetch the values. And the output will be shown as shown on the screen. Here, when we are using the OpenPyXL package, we have different ways to print the values. So the one way we have shown over here, the second way over here. In case if you want to get the value of specific cell, you need to refer that cell name over here. It's A1 and then dot value, and it will provide you the value of that particular cell. Now let's see Pandas. So to use Pandas, we need to import Pandas package. Over here we have imported Pandas as PD alias name, and then we are going to use a read_Excel function to read the Excel file. Over here it's similar. We can provide relative or absolute path, and if you are using the script in the same directory where your data lies, then in that case you can provide file name only as well. Here if you want to read a value from specific cell, you cannot provide the name like A1, B2, C3. You need to provide its location. So over here, second row, second column, and we will get the value of that second row, second column conjunction. Next, let's see PyLiteXL. For this, again, we need to import this PyLite package as Excel alias name. Then we are going to use its read_Excel function to read the Excel file, and again over here you can provide relative or absolute path, or even you can provide the file name only if it's in the same directory from where you are executing the script. And over here as well, you need to iterate over worksheet to print the values. If you want values of only single row, you can just provide the number of the row and it will print the rows values. And same way, if you want to print column values, you just need to provide the numbers and it will provide the column values. That's it for the day. Thank you for watching this video.